Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ranger 570 accessories is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for this incredibly versatile machine, and in this video, we'll dive into the top accessories that will transform your Polaris Ranger 570 from a capable workhorse into an unstoppable force, whether you're tackling tough trails, hauling heavy loads, or simply enjoying a comfortable ride. We'll explore essential upgrades, practical add-ons, and luxury enhancements to help you customize your Ranger 570 to perfectly match your needs and preferences. Number 5. KEMIMOTO UTV Rearview Mirror. It seamlessly integrates with your Polaris Ranger, offering a perfect fit for models from 2017 to 2025. Enjoy enhanced rear visibility and safety. Easily adjust it to your preferred viewing angle with its ball joint design. The wide-angle view gives you the ultimate in rear visibility. Its robust construction, using safety glass and impact-resistant ABS housing, ensures it can withstand even the toughest rides. Unlike ordinary glass, it crumbles into small, less dangerous pieces if broken, prioritizing your safety. The included harness deactivates the speed limiter for short drives without a seatbelt. It's universally compatible with many UTV models. The package includes the mirror, a seatbelt bypass harness, and simple-to-follow installation instructions. Everything you need for a quick and easy installation. What we like. It offers an adjustable, wide-angle view so you can always see what's behind you. The safety glass is stronger and more shatter-resistant than standard glass, ensuring your safety. If you prioritize safety and a clear view while driving, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Mirror looks like it was made for the Ranger. Great value compared to OEM. Can see very well out of the glass. Fitment was great. Only 3 bolts and it's on. Has a nice rounded look to it as well. Excellent wide-angle mirror with all the hardware to attach it to the Ranger's OEM mounting plate. Easy 3-minute install. This was exactly what we were looking for. Fits perfectly for our Polaris Ranger. Easily installed within minutes, nice and sturdy with it easily adjustable. Can see clearly out of it night and daytime. Number 4. StarknightMT Ranger Rear Window. Enjoy a clear and unobstructed view with this rear window. Its polycarbonate construction is stronger and lighter than glass, ensuring optimal visibility on any ride. Installation is a breeze thanks to the 3 rotatable handles and pre-drilled holes. Simply attach the brackets and rotate the handles for a secure fit. The waterproof rubber seal significantly reduces noise and dust intrusion, creating a more comfortable and quieter ride. Keep your cab clean and free from dust, mud, and rainwater. It effectively blocks these elements, keeping your interior tidy. It shields you from flying debris, branches, and cold wind, enhancing safety and comfort. Focus on the ride, not the elements. You'll receive the rear window, rubber seal, hardware, and instructions. No drilling is needed, making installation quick and easy. It's designed to perfectly fit various Polaris Ranger midsize models from 2015 to 2023. Check compatibility details to ensure a proper fit for your vehicle. What we like. This product provides a crystal clear view, enhancing your visibility and safety. The easy installation process saves you time and effort. If you value a clear view and a quiet ride, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Fit perfect. Fairly easy to put together. Fit my 2021 Ranger 570 midsize perfectly. Excellent quality. Assembles easily and is very easy to take out for cleaning, no tools required. Number 3. StarknightMT Ranger Windshield. This windshield is designed to perfectly fit your Polaris Ranger midsize 500, 570, ETX, and EV models from 2015 to 2022. It's a perfect match for your machine, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Made from scratch-resistant polycarbonate, it's shatterproof, heat-resistant, and protects you from UV rays. Enjoy a safer and more comfortable ride, no matter the conditions. The U-shaped rubber seal with a metal strip ensures a tight, water-resistant seal. This keeps out dirt and water, providing a clean and dry cabin. With 95% light transmission, it offers exceptional clarity. Enjoy an unobstructed view of the trail and easily clean it with a damp cloth. Installation is a breeze. It comes with 4 self-adhesive clamps, so no drilling is required. Just follow the simple instructions and you'll be ready to roll. What we like. It's highly scratch resistant, maintaining its clarity for a long time. The easy installation process makes it a breeze to set up. If you want a durable, crystal clear windshield that's simple to install, this is for you. What people say. Fits perfectly on our 570 midsize with the non-round tube cage. 2 seatbelts cage is square in spots to accommodate doors. The instructions were a little difficult due to some translation issues, but the pictures were spot on and allowed for smooth installation. The weather stripping was very easy to install and did not rely on an adhesive trip, but was a metal clamping groove that fit snugly on the screen. The windshield will hold up to being towed at normal highway speeds without damage. Number 2. SAUTVS Ranger Underseat Storage. These convenient storage boxes are designed to fit perfectly under your Polaris Ranger seats. They'll keep your small items secure and easily accessible. It cleverly uses the often wasted space under your seat. This provides extra storage capacity without cluttering your ride. The 2-tier design offers a perfect solution for organizing your gear. Keep frequently used items in the top layer and larger items in the bottom. They are made from high-quality polypropylene, ensuring they're resistant to corrosion, scratches, and temperature changes. They're built to last. Installation is quick and easy, no tools are required. Simply place them under your seat and you're ready to go. These boxes are compatible with Polaris Ranger 500 and 570 midsize models from 2015 to 2021. They are sold as a set of 2, 1 for each side. What we like. This provides extra storage space under your seat, keeping your items organized and secure. The installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools. If you need extra storage and want to keep your things organized, this is perfect for you. What people say. Bought these for my 2015 Polaris Ranger 570, they fit perfectly under the seat and give a couple extra places to store items, such as a poncho or winch remote. The tray that goes over the gas tank passenger side does not account for the breather line and will not seat properly without cutting it. The tray that fits over the fuse box driver side does not have a cutout to allow the seat peg to seat in the frame without cutting. Bought for 2022 Polaris Ranger 500 bought centerpiece from Polaris and fits perfect. Decided to try these for the sides, they will need trimming to fit perfect. Number 1. Polaris Ranger 570 Oil Change Kit. This kit ensures your Polaris Ranger 570 runs smoothly. It's got everything you need for a quick and easy oil change. Previously known as PS4+, this full synthetic oil provides all-season protection. It's engineered specifically for your Polaris 4-cycle engine. This oil is designed to extend the life of your engine's gears. It's the perfect choice for maximum protection. It offers industry-leading viscosity, protecting your engine in both extreme cold and extreme heat. Get optimal performance year-round. The kit includes 2 quarts of PS4 oil and a new oil filter, part number 2540086. Everything you need is right here. This kit is specifically designed for 2014 to 2018 Polaris Ranger 570 models. Make sure it's the right fit for your machine. What we like. It's a full synthetic oil designed for Polaris engines, extending the life of your gear. It provides maximum engine protection in various conditions. If you want to extend the life of your engine and ensure its optimal performance, this is the right choice. What people say. Very handy kit. Had everything I needed including the copper drain plug sealing washer. Exact factory recommended supplies. Same as at the dealer. Even included the crush washer. OEM kit works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.